Ain't nobody gonna cut that. Now cut this fucking alarm off.
What?
How you doing, brother?
Why the fuck you banging at my fucking door? Who the fuck are you?
My name Block and Velvet. I live 2 hours down. Remember I moved in like 2 days ago. Remember you asked me my broom?
Nah.
I haven't seen it since. But anyway, do you hear that shit, nigga? You hear that beeping? The whole neighborhood outside, man. That shit too loud, man. Is that your car?
Beeping? Is that my
Get
car?
out of here, man. I step inside and take a look. This is ridiculous. Y'all deaf? What's going on here?
Look here, nosy. Big ass nose.
Huh?
My son running around here sick. On the other hand, my wife is pointed in the motherfucker.
Last night, I heard your bitch screaming your name and all that. Ha ha ha, giggle, giggle. I give you props on that. You know, you did your thing last night. You put it down, you laid it down, you know? But this morning, man, when I lay my head down, I hear all this beeping. All this beeping. Man, you need to go find that motherfucking clicker or something to cut that shit off.
No, what you need to do is get the fuck out of my place of residence.
I get out. I ain't tripping. I do that. It's your house. It's your world. It's your house. But you live in disgusting anyway. You live all disgusting anyway. You live in gross. Look at all this stupid shit on right. Look. What the fuck is this? This is my broom right here, dude. What you talking about? You must got a lot of dirt in here.
Just grab it and go.
I know one thing. You better cut this fucking alarm off, man. The whole neighborhood waking up and shit. I gotta wake up and shit. I ain't got no job and nothing like that. Don't get me wrong. But I am a human being. I do have to get my sleep. Ain't nobody gonna cut that. Now cut this fucking alarm off.
You better skedaddle.
Punk.
Skedaddle.
What's up, man? That's a bush you in. You don't know me. You don't know me. I moved there 2 days ago. You hear that shit beeping? Listen to that. It's still beeping. Find the clicker. Go find it.
Black, is he giving you any problems?
I got it.
Sure?
Don't worry.
You know I learned this new roundhouse kick over the internet last night.
Nigga.